don't hate me because I'm beautiful.
Hey everybody, this is Rebecca TOTILO with the Aroma Hut Institute, and today I have a special treat. We're going to be making an anti-aging roll-on. This is for all of you who are like me, almost reaching 60 years old and don't want to look that age. I certainly feel it, and it's really catching up with me, but I really want to work on my skin. I've noticed in the last several years, it's little by little getting a little more of a saggy skin, and wrinkles and lines are showing up. So for all you who are interested in learning more about skincare and how to make products for yourself, I do have a book on this. It's Organic Beauty with Essential Oil, and I have over 400 recipes in here. I do break down all of the oils that are good for your skin type and the products that you can make for that. So we're going to be making one today in this video. I'm going to be making the Anti-aging Serum roll-on blend. So we're going to be doing a 10 ml bottle, which is approximately 200 drops. And this will hold quite a bit, but what we're going to do is the concentration is going to be between 5 to 10% dilution. So I'm going to be using my favorite carrier. You can use yours, but for my skin type, which is very dry, mature skin, I'm going to be using jojoba oil. This is probably one of the best oils that matches the skin of a human. So this is actually not even an oil, it's a wax. But jojoba is great for the skin. It just absorbs it right in. It's just not greasy, and so I'm going to be using this one. If you prefer coconut or almond, of course, in the book I do break down the carriers and which ones are good for your skin. So you might want to take a look at that. Now, the oils that I'm going to be using in this one are fantastic for skin. We're going to be using Frankincense Essential Oil, Rose Essential Oil, this one is from Iran, and Helichrysum, which is another fantastic oil for healing scars and wounds, Myrrh Essential Oil. I'm going to remind me to tell you a story about this one. This is a great oil too. Geranium, which is a favorite, love this one, great for more mature, older skin. And I do have lavender here, but I'm not going to probably be using that one. I think I want to use the geranium for this particular roll-on instead. So let me go back to myrrh for a second. Now, if you've ever heard me in the past speak many years ago, when I first was learning about the essential oils, I discovered that myrrh was mentioned in the Song of Solomon, and that it was, being used by the Shulamite. And so there's a whole story to tell about that. But during that time, I noticed a place on my face develop, and it looked like cancer. Now, I've had cancer before, taken out. I've had it actually here, where they had to do surgery. I've had it on my arm. This was actually the first place that they actually had to cut into, and it left a scar. And then I also have this place right here that was another skin cancer, and you can see where it's left a big white spot now. When I went to the doctor, he looked at that and thought, oh, who did that? That was a good job they did on it. And I said, well, I did that. And he says, what do you mean you did that? And I said, well, I used essential oils and some other natural things to help heal it. And he said, wow, that's pretty amazing. He said, but because of this one being on the skin of the face, right by the mouth, and it was deep, it was not a good idea to try the natural means, but go ahead and get it taken out. So I did. But anyway, when I first started to learn about the oils, Myrrh Essential Oil was the one I was learning about, and found out that it was good for skin, and I began to apply it to this place on my face, and after about 10 days, it completely went away. See, can't see anything there at all. And so I'm very aware of now that being a fair skinned person and being in the sun, we live in Florida, that I have to always be taking care of my skin. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started on our blend. We're gonna need a 10 ml bottle. Now, if you need a funnel or something, you can do that, or you can grab your pipette and use it. So you need your 10 ml bottle and your little roller top. So let's go ahead and start with 5 drops of frankincense. Frankincense is widely used in skincare products, especially because of its valuable ingredient having remarkable anti-aging, regenerating, and healing properties. And I'm going to do 5 drops of rose oil. Rose is a wonderful oil for those who have mature skin. It's particularly good for dry and sensitive skin and acts as a tonic, as a soothing quality for inflammation and for constricting actions on capillaries. If you can't afford rose or don't have it, you can use rose geranium as another alternative. And I'm going to do 3 drops of Helichrysum. Helichrysum is effective for acne, bruises, boils, burns, cuts, eczema, irritated skin, and wounds. This one is great for repairing troubled and damaged skin by psoriasis, eczema, and any kind of ulcers. This one, it smells so good. I love it. Let's go with 3 drops of myrrh. Myrrh is characterized as antimicrobial, antifungal, astringent, healing, and it's a stimulant and tonic. Here we go. And I'm going to finish up my blend using 2 drops of geranium. Whoops, don't want 3. All right. Geranium works wonders for wrinkles and sensitive skin, as well as broken capillaries, and it's good as an overall skin cleanser. Let's just go ahead and fill up the remaining space with our carrier. Okay. Now these are available on Amazon. I'll share a link below. Let's put our roller top in and our cap. And let's go ahead and shake it up. And it smells so nice, but you can go ahead and use it on those places where you feel like you need it the most. I'm going to be rolling it all over my body because I need this. Oh my goodness. It just smells heavenly with the floral scents, and oh my gosh, this is wonderful. Well, this is great. You can carry it with you, use it as needed. What a wonderful blend for anti-aging. Some of the other oils that you might want to use in your blend include carrot seed, Roman chamomile, Clary sage, ginseng, geranium, rose, jasmine, and frankincense. If you haven't already, would you subscribe to our channel? We would love for you to be a part of our tribe. We would love to hear from you. Leave your comments below if you have any questions or if you have a particular topic that you would like to learn more about. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.